Hello guys and welcome to GhostTech. Today we will learn Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. Premiere Pro is designed for a video editor's post-production workflow. It's equipped with a suite of powerful editing tools for content creators and filmmakers to organize and edit video files as well as to enhance and fine-tune audio and image quality. Simple and intuitive video editing, perfect for beginners. This is the main page when you open Premiere Pro. On the left side you can see Home button. It means this page the main page, Open Project. If you already have a project and you want to edit, and New Project, to start a new project as well. Click New Project. Now we see a new page with some videos or sample medias here from Adobe. On the left side you can see your storages from where you can import new medias here, like Home, Desktop, Documents and others. Also down here you can see devices you have connected like hard disks and any other device you have connected, and cloud storage. On the right side, you can manage your importing settings. On the left side you can see where it writes Import, which is this page, Edit, editing the project and Export, to export your project. Down there you can see project name, then project location, and project template you can use. To start the project, click this button down here where it writes Create. Now you can see the editing page, those are the toolbar. You can also resize them as you want like this. Go to the window, Workspaces and choose what panel do you want to add like Effects, Audio, Color and others. Or the second way from here also. To start the new project you need to create a sequence. To create it, click down here with the right mouse then New Item, Sequence. Now you can choose what type of video do you want to work with. You can see the frame rates and others. Click OK. Now you created your new project. Go to Workspaces and click Essentials to work easier. To import any media, simple click right mouse then Import. Drag it to the timeline down. Click the play button. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.